In this video, I want to show you how to convert polygon to line in ArcGIS. If you have a polygon layer and you want to convert it to line, I will show you how to do it. So let's go to ArcGIS. In ArcGIS, I have this polygon, and if I want to convert it to line, how do I do it? Open your Arc toolbox, then come to Data Management Tools, then come to Features. Scroll down and you will see polygon to line. So double click to open it. Click here and enter your polygon. Then click here for your output. Let's name the output as line 2 and click on save and click on OK. So the process is running. It will convert this polygon to line. So it's done. So let me close this one and uncheck this. You can see that our polygon has been converted to line. How do you verify? You can verify in two ways. Number one, if you come to this very original polygon, right click and open the properties. Come under source. You can see that the geometry type is polygon. Let me close it. Now if you come to our product, which is our result, right click and open the properties. You can see that the geometry type is line. So let's close this. Another way, let me uncheck this, click on selection tool and click on any of these. You can see it has selected it, telling you that it's not a polygon. You can see that it has converted it to line. You can see. So this is how to convert polygon to line in ArcGIS. Thank you for watching.